Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will see the sign in as well as the create an account button. Go ahead and tap on create an account in order to create a new account, and you will have various different options. You can either manually enter your email address, or you can also tap on continue with Google. Just type in your email address that you prefer and then tap on the continue button, and now you will be asked to either continue with your Google account if this is a Google email that you are using, or you will also have the option to sign up with a password instead. Choose whichever option is suitable for you, and then you might be allowed to create your password. After entering your desired password, you can tap on the create account button to proceed with the further sign up. You can also tick on the checkbox in order to opt out of receiving any marketing emails from Indeed. Tap on the create account button, and now you will be asked to allow notifications. You can also tap on skip for now if you don't wish to allow this notification access. Now, as soon as you enter your password for your desired account, you will be signed up to your account. However, you will need to verify your email address before you can start using the Indeed services. So check your inbox within the email that you used to sign up, and then you will find the confirmation email from Indeed. Tap on the confirm your Indeed account button, and now your newly signed up account will officially be created and verified. You can then tap on the continue button to start using the Indeed platform right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.